Hi everybody, this is Sarah at Scrapbook.com, and today we're looking at new tools from We Are Memory Keepers, and we're going to be looking at the Maker's Glue Gun Kit. It is a 20-piece kit. You can see the box right here. Comes in a couple different colors, this beautiful aqua and this lovely pink. So we're going to talk about everything that this kit comes with. So first, I want to show you this really fun stand that comes in this box. It has a beautiful We Are label on it. Here, I'll tilt that so you can see it. There we go. With this fun little pattern. And then there's a place for everything you need for your glue gun art and glue gun usage. So first, there's the tool itself. Here is our glue gun in this beautiful pink color. It's super easy to use. It has a plug-in that you can, just a standard plug-in, plug into the wall. Here's the tip of it. Just a very nice, sturdy, big glue gun. And then you can see it sits right here. It's very easy to take in and out. And it stores safely here. There's also this little pad. Let me move this so you can see. There's this little pad here to protect your little storage area and space if any hot glue drips. This kit, like I said, comes with 20 pieces. Some of these pieces can be stored here in this compartment. So I'll go through each of them, but we have little finger protectors so you don't burn your fingers, super important. This comes with black glue, really fun for dark projects. Of course, your standard clear. And it comes with this fun tool for scraping and moving glue around. So let's look at some of those things. So first we have the little finger protectors, like I mentioned. They even say We Are on them, which is super cute. And then the thumbprint or fingerprint part is textured. And this is so you don't burn your fingers when you're picking up items with glue, when you're working with the glue. So really, really important little tool that's super handy. The black glue, like I mentioned, is really great for blending with dark materials. So if you're creating things with black paper, black mediums, darker mediums, this is going to look really nice on there. Don't think we need to talk about clear glue. Everyone knows what that's for. What I want to talk about is this tool, which is really great. It's for pushing and scraping and moving your hot glue. So if you have hot glue on the surface of something and you're like, oh no, it bunched up, it's stringy, you can use this to move it around, to scrape, to push, etc. So a really important tool that will help your hot glue gun experience. So make sure you check out the new Maker's Glue Gun Kit at Scrapbook.com, where both colors are available, and you can find all We Are Memory Keepers tools and supplies.